Hello and welcome back to my tech travel and lifestyle journey. I'm on my happy journey for my unboxing videos using tripod and external help as required. Unless I had no one around, I had to unbox myself. Holding a camera in one hand, unboxing felt like a disability. Well, so how I can capture unboxing? Hey, hooray! I found a hands-free option! To unbox this head mount that we have got, let's go ahead and start. Oh, I love this part of unboxing, as you've seen in other videos. It should be easy to get it off. Oh, there you go. Let me know how you guys feel about the sounds that come after the unboxing. Amazon always send these big boxes, but let's see what's inside. It's not going to be that big. See, half of it is empty. So the product list is articulating arm stand, metal mounting base, mini ball head, phone clamp, and a user manual. There we go. So let me take this off. And here we go, cell phone, desk stand, and free your hands. This helps you with your cooking videos. This helps you with your unboxing, small item videos, which you can do it on a table like I'm doing right now. And the company that it comes from is Tarion. Let's go and unbox it. Oh, it's a tight box. I don't know which country makes this, but that's the box items. Something else is there. So all those are the box items. The manual later. This looks to be the head clamp. This looks to be the main clamping thing. You will be hearing a lot of plastic noise, but just bear with me, guys. So this is the main clamp. Seems like this will go in there after we fix this bit to the desk clamp, and this will be our main mounting clamp where we will mount our phones using this phone mount, and this 360-degree rotatable head clamp with which you can rotate your phone in 360 degrees. That's the clamp for the table. Oh, it goes in and out like that. That would be helpful for clamping on the kitchen slabs. Yeah, but it's a bit slow. Now you have to do all the hard work. Let's go ahead. And that's the other stuff that we get with the box, is the main phone mount. I think it has got the springs on one side, as they were saying. Yeah, there you go. It has got a padding of rubber padding on both the sides. On the back it is a thermocol padding. Let's go ahead and build this up. So this should go in there like that. I need to open that up a little bit, I think. Yeah, should go directly in there like it has gone now. So that there is no sound of clicking, but it fixed properly. I need to just tighten that up a little bit. Yeah, it's tighten it up. Now I can just hold it with this so the clamp is not coming out. And the next thing I want to do is fix my 360-degree mount on the other side. Actually, it is very easy to assemble this. It doesn't look like it is very tough. After mounting this, I can go ahead and mount my phone mount. I don't want to do too tight as well. I think it will not tighten it up 100% because it's still rotating. Let's go ahead with the phone mount now. That's the phone mount. What you can do is, you can do two ways. You can have a straight mount or you can have a horizontal mount. Let's do the horizontal mount first. There we go. Yeah, it's tight enough for me. Let's go ahead and do it on the table clamp. So we have fixed everything. The phone clamp has gone there with a 360-degree mount. I will show you in a bit. This I have tightened it up properly, so it is fully tight now. It's a simple rotating mechanism that you can tighten it up, and this is how it looks. There you got springs here and springs here to maintain this whole flow. There we go, that's the phone clamp that I will be using. The final piece of this is to mount the phone. And this is the mounting clamp. You put the phone there, you take this out and just mount it. And that is as simple. And you can start recording it. There is no Bluetooth. But if you have something that can control your device, you can work it. And this is a 360 degree, but I will just show you how it will work. So I can rotate it like this if I want to take a video, and make it up and down like that. You have to be a bit careful with your settings or the buttons on the side, because it may click sometimes, not always. So if I click this again, I've just clicked this button and I'm opening the camera app. Yeah, that's where so I'll just show you my hand in the video that I'm gonna record now. Yeah, there we go. Thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe and share. All these videos before the head clamp were 4 videos were coming from this selfie stick. So you guys can see how I was using the selfie stick, this and this, and the phone was going like that. And that is how I was filming like all my head shots. But now that I've got this head mount clamp, it would be pretty easy, and the one that you're seeing right now is from the head clamp. Thank you. No, tech vlog, and this is our unboxing of head mount. Oh, and welcome